Greetings from Rewa beach, Plaża Rewa in Poland. Just 40 minutes bus ride from Gdynia and you can be at this paradise. Now this is part one of my exploring of Plaża Rewa, as I am now on the coast that's on the west from the beautiful beach that goes into the water that we're gonna check in part 2. So I wanted to check out the windy side. This is the windy side apparently, and it's facing west, this one southwest, and it is blowing like crazy. I mean, there is on the stand, you can see that it is blowing and having a mild sandstorm as well. So yes, it is a huge sandy beach that I need to do several parts of actually, and this part of the beach, the windy one, is with lots of kite surfing, windsurfing and similar. But I really look forward to the most scenic part in the middle of the sea, and then also the other side. I think when you circle around the coast, it is more mild and there is not much wind over there. But yes, 11th of August 2024, the day is today, and it's time for another Beach Adventures with Chris from Poland. This is day 2 of my stay here in Poland for the long weekend, extended weekend actually. So yes, it is 21 degrees Celsius right now, both in the air and in the sea, and it is almost 3 p.m. right now. So I need to get going actually, as I want to visit a few more beaches before I head back to Gdansk, where I'm staying actually. So let's then buckle up and enjoy a nice swim here in the sea. Now here on this side of the beach we have some boats inside the sea, but it is obviously free to swim whoever wants in this weather. You see, there is not so many people on the beach. Most people are sitting closely to the beach promenade, as it is less wind over there. And I'm not really sure how much you can hear me from the wind, but I will try my best to speak as loud as I can. Right, so Baltic Sea Adventure in Rewa, Poland. Let's get going and swim here at this beauty, despite being rather windy today. So yes, I earlier explored also Gdynia. It's a nice city, but the beach over there was super crowded with so many people, and it wasn't windy at all over there. Yeah, now let's then check out also the boats, and I can see the beautiful beach from here that I'm gonna visit later, the middle part of Rewa beach. Alright, then let's get going and take a swim in the Baltic Sea. So shallow, I basically landed on my chest here. So one more time. It is very shallow, deep, but very nice. I really enjoy. So glad that the sun is up and I can explore beautiful beaches in Poland. So that's a wrap from part 1 from Rewa beach, because there's going to be more parts later. So stay tuned for the part 2, maybe, let's see. And thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Rewa beach, Plaża, Rewa. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!